Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to set up weather alerts on your iPhone. Start by opening the Weather app on your iPhone. Tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner, then tap on Enable Notifications in the Stay Informed section. Next, tap Continue to allow notifications, and then tap Allow so weather can send you notifications. Tap Allow again to enable critical alerts. After that, tap Go to Settings to give weather the access it needs. Tap Always to allow location access. Then, go back to the Weather app and allow access to current location for severe weather and next hour precipitation alerts. If you have additional locations saved, tap on each location and allow the same notifications. Finally, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your iPhone is now set to send you timely weather alerts, so you can stay informed and prepared. Thank you for watching.